Hello everyone! Welcome to Tayao Gardens. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Atok Benguet. And yes, ito yung newest attraction sa ngayon. I think wala pang 1 month since they have finally opened sa public. And we are happy that we are finally here to explore it for the first time. Napakadaming magagandang pictures about Tayao Gardens online. And let's see if reality meets yung ating expectation. So, una nga dyan, ang bubungad sa atin is this welcome signboard nila. And we've got parang mga different succulent arrangements na nakatanim sa terracotta pots. Each arrangement is unique, hindi sila magkakapareho. Although, mapapansin natin na medyo dehydrated na yung mga succulents, and that's normal kasi ilang weeks nang hindi umuulan sa Baguio, and I would assume na hanggang dito hindi pa rin talaga umuulan. But that's perfectly fine kasi yung ating mga succulents naman, they prefer yung parang dry as compared if overwatered sila. We have some mga turtle vines na variegated, minimal variegations. We have another wall here of succulents in white pots. Dito naman, we've got the pink turtle vine. That's something na I wanted to collect soon. And another wall of succulents na nakatanim sa parang black cloth na I don't know the exact name of this, pero ito yung nakikita ko online. I was actually thinking of buying this before, but I decided not to until finally, I have seen it personally. Maganda siyang tignan and perfect talaga siya for this kind of setup. Parang pouches lang siya, itatanim mo lang yung mga succulents dyan. And yes, you have an instant vertical wall of succulents. Ayan. So, ano bang mga pangalan nito? We've got some elegance dyan sa baba. And so far, I think, puro succulents yung nakikita natin. So, this place is perfectly to those na talagang into succulents kasi you would appreciate every single variety na nakatanim dito. From here, ito na yung pinaka-main na signage or mural ng Tayao Gardens. And so, napaka-inviting niyang tignan kaya I decided to use nga yung bike to play around here kasi almost ako lang talaga yung nandito during that time since I have explored it during a weekday. Moving on sa kanilang outdoor garden. So this one is their open space. Ayan. And what do we have here? Landscapes. Different landscapes of succulents. Again. So ito naman medyo parang rocky yung kanyang setup. It's like mimicking their natural habitat, diba? Usually naman yung mga succulents talagang tumutubo sila sa desert, sa mga rocky places like this. Ayan, napakaganda nung kanyang setup. Of course, yung ating rose cabbage, basket of rose cabbage. Ayan no, diba? Yung landscape is perfect. Ayan no, a basket of succulents. Again, literal na if you have this kind of open space, you can do anything. Kaya sa mga may maluluwang na lupa dyan, anything is possible. You can landscape like this, diba? Ayan no, ang gaganda nilang tignan under full sun. And so, let's move on sa ibang parts. Meron sila ditong madaming parang Instagrammable mga frames like this one. Ayan o, ang ganda siguro pag tatayo ka dyan and you're gonna be having that blue background sa likod. We have some wooden drawers here na pinagtaniman na rin nila ng mga succulents. So something na we can also try, diba, sa ating mga gardens. Itong mga nandito are talagang nakatanim sila sa ground, and pag tumagal, definitely they would entirely cover yung part na yan. So here's another Instagrammable setup. Ayan o, diba? So I would advise na if you're gonna be coming here, dapat check nyo yung weather app. Kasi pag siguro cloudy, hindi ganito ka-vibrant yung makikita or ma-capture nating mga pictures or videos. And one thing in particular na nagandahan ako are these parang mga succulents na nakatanim sa mga baskets. Ayan no. So something na I will try pag uwi natin ng Baguio. Here is a mystery door. Let's see kung ano ang view once we open this. Ayan, so it's a beautiful view of the mountains. Ayun o, doon sa dulo medyo foggy pa. Napakaganda, napaka-fresh ng hangin dito. Another must-see dito is this parang mini house na yung kanyang roof, yung kanyang walls are all filled with succulents. Ayan o, may ano pa doon, may parang guard dog pa. And you can take a picture doon sa frame na yon mismo. So up close, we have some Mendoza succulents. We have our cotyledon pendens. Ayan, so nagkataon kasi na mahilig tayo sa succulents kaya alam natin yung mga pangalan nila, 'di ba? Sa tabi niya, finally meron na tayong mga ibang ornamental plants naman here. Ayan, and a bridge and a fountain doon. So let's try to explore this area. Napakaganda to have a waterfall sa ating mga garden. There's really something about the sound of water na nakaka-relax. So, I hope na next time we can have this sa ating rooftop garden. So, ano pa ba ang meron dito sa area na to? We got some wall frames again for your pictures. And ito na yung lagi kong nakikita sa mga pictures, yung parang nag-overflow na succulents. And these are all rose cabbages. Ayan, napakadami. Literal na rose cabbage hanggang dun sa pinaka taas na part. And I'm also curious about this parang succulent wall. Literal, parang 3 floors or 2 floors high siya. And up close, ang mga nakatanim dito are all ghosty. Ayan no, puro ghosty. Pero dito sa side na to, iba't ibang klaseng mga succulents na. So I think itong mga to talagang rain or shine area na sila kasi it's very difficult to maintain pag ganito kadaming mga succulents. Ayan. So good luck sa caretaker nito kasi literal medyo mahirap siyang alagaan pag ganito na kadami. We have another setup here. Ito naman nakatanim yung ating mga succulents sa parang mga logs or kahoy itong mga ito na they tried to form a car out of this mga logs. Ito para siyang train yung kanyang setup. So hanggang doon sa pinakadulo na part, ang daming ganito. Ayan no, puro succulents until dun pa sa pinakadulo. Ayan, so malawang kasi ito guys. Tapos imagine nyo ang mga nakatanim dito mostly are succulents na maliliit lang sila. Kaya magsasawa talaga kayo sa mga succulents. Ayan o, iba-ibang. Ito parang terraces style naman yung kanyang setup. Ayan. Next is we have itong mga succulents na nakatanim sa mga logs or puno ng kahoy or kahoy ng puno. Anyway, this one is yung ating dwarf jelly beans. Ayun o, red na sila. They are actually sun-stressed kasi sa ngayon talagang sobrang tirik yung araw. It's an open space as I have mentioned earlier. And talagang I think buong araw silang nakabilad sa araw, especially na hindi masyadong umuulan these days. That's why they are so colorful. Yan, we can fully appreciate yung kanilang mga colors. Yeah, so we have more of these. Nandito na tayo sa pinakadulo na part, and the view would be like this. Sa gilid na part, madami pa tayong mga succulent arrangements again. Ayan, dikit-dikit na sila. I'm trying to look for parang mga rare or mga collectible succulents, but I think wala sila sa area na ito since it's a rain or shine area. Siguro nandun siya sa may mga greenhouses, and that is something na we will explore mamaya. And here we are, yung pinaka gusto kong mapuntahan, yung parang mini greenhouse. Hindi pa ito yung pinaka main greenhouse nila. It's just a small parang glass house setup. Let's try to check kung ano nga ba yung nasa loob. And dito nga, I was expecting na puro succulents, but it's actually not. Naka-display dito yung ibang mga ornamental plants, some begonias, some ferns. Ayan, nandito sila. Of course, we also have some succulents na naka-display here. Ayan, we've got our lovely rose and variegated decora and more. Ang dami talaga. We have peperomias dyan sa baba and some displays of parang it's a combination of plants and kung ano-anong mga displays dyan. And I was thinking na mainit dito sa loob, pero hindi. Hindi naman siya mainit, yung parang typical greenhouse setup na kulob. No. Maano siya. Parang same lang. Room temperature lang siya. And from here, we have the view of that parang maze, if I'm right. May nakita ako dito and it's like my first time to see this, kung ano man ang tawag sa succulent na ito. Ganyan yung kanyang itsura. It looks like a plastic and ito nakakatuwa yung manok na yan. If I'm gonna be parang expressing myself right now, ganyan na ganyan kasi sobrang init ngayon. Ayan, so I think it's best to come here ng early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Ngayon kasi is parang it's about 11 o'clock and talagang kainitan ng araw. Itong mga ito are big size dugongs and we have a cute squirrel hiding under doon. We have this cute pig sitting on a bed of Mendoza succulent. Ayan, napaka-cute niyang tignanin. Ayan, pag uwi natin, magpropagate na tayo ng madaming Mendoza succulent. We've got some mga figurines. Ayan, maganda pala siyang i-combine, diba, sa mga succulents natin. Ayan, oh, diba? It adds parang more contrast or story sa ating setup. Ito naman is parang mga wooden pallet na ayan, in between tinaniman siya ng mga succulents. Oh, it's also a unique one. Nagkaroon na naman tayo ng idea for our succulent projects. Ayan, so this is yung setup sa ngayon. I think we are done exploring itong outdoor area ng Tayo Gardens. And yes, I'm really impressed. Maganda siya and napakadaming areas kung saan ka pwedeng magpa-picture with the plants and succulents. So right now, pupunta tayo sa kanilang greenhouse.